What every beginner needs to know in Forex market. First, economic calendars. Economic calendars provide information about upcoming economic events and data releases that can impact the Forex market. Popular economic calendars include First Forex Factory, Second Investing, Come Third Trade Economics, Next Forex News websites. Dedicated Forex News websites provide specific updates and insights related to the Forex market. First, Daily FX. Second, Fact Street. Third, Forex Live. Next, broker platforms. Many Forex brokers provide their own news and analysis tools within their trading platforms. Examples include MetaTrader, 4/5, then Trader. Next economic data releases. 1. GDP report. Second, employment data, like non-farm payrolls. Then 3. CPI Consumer Price Index and PPI Consumer Price Index. Next, central bank announcements. Next, central bank announcements. 1. Interest rate decisions like European Central Bank, ECB, Bank of England, BOE. 2. Monetary policy statements. Central banks' outlook on the economy and future monetary policy. Next, geopolitical events, political elections, trade agreements and disputes, 3 crises and conflicts. Next, government fiscal policies. First, SC budget announcements then. Second, public debt levels. Reports on national debt and fiscal health. And last, very important, speeches by key figures. No. 1. Central bankers. Speeches by figures like the Fed chair, ECB president. Then no. 2. Government officials. Statements from finance ministers, economic advisors.
Thank you very much.